Okay, Te whānau, picture this. Two suburbs, same city, same council, totally different planets. Suburb 1. Kids wake up warm and dry. Playground looks like it's from Pinterest. There's a supermarket, EV chargers, GP enrolling new patients like it's the 90s. Life is all good. Now jump across town. Suburb 2. Cold, damp rentals where the walls have their own ecosystem. Vape shops across from the kura. Bottle stores and pokies. Afterpay at the dairy that also sells alcohol. And the nearest doctor accepting new patients is a 90-minute walk away. Whānau do it in the rain, uphill, both ways, carrying 3 tamariki and a bag of Pack and Save $5 specials. But here's the plot twist. None of this is random. It's not bad luck. It's by design. It's companies choosing hard-up communities to make money off, and local leaders led them. So, Māori health leaders built a map that shows where the life-giving stuff is. Clean water, safe transport, enrolling GPs, reo Māori strong spaces, and also where the harm is being dumped. Vape shops, alcohol, pokies. It's no surprise, but the flashier the suburb, the healthier the map looks. The more hard out the neighbourhood, the more harm dumped onto it. This is where tobacco and alcohol companies deliberately plonk themselves because hard out, hard up communities can be profitable. And who cops the blame? Our vulnerable hapori. Eat better, make better decisions. As if it's that easy when your whole environment was built like an obstacle course designed by someone who doesn't care about you. We need to stop blaming the people living in the obstacle course and start questioning the people who built it. Oranga isn't an accident, it's intentional design. Flipping the facts means stopping the gaslighting. It means flipping the narrative back onto the biggest culprits, the system, the structures, the committees who somehow approved 5 vape shops and 3 booze shops next to our kura and across from their kāinga. And if we want our tamariki to have the wind at their backs instead of blowing in their faces, then we need to redesign the places they live in. That's flipping the facts.